Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kit in Brawl Stars. Kit is a unique assassin brawler, known for his versatile super. His main attack, Claw Combo, is a quick, close-range swipe that deals 2,000 damage. His super, Pounce, allows him to jump onto either allies or enemies. When on an ally, he heals them for 600 health per second and attacks foes with yarn balls. When on an enemy, he deals continuous damage and stuns them for a few seconds. 1. Kit's Claw Combo is a swift, single-target attack, perfect for finishing off weakened opponents. It deals 2,000 damage and reloads very quickly. His first gadget, Cardboard Box, grants him invisibility for 3 seconds, ideal for ambushes or escapes, and charges his super 100% faster when standing still. 7. The second gadget, Cheeseburger, heals Kit and his attached ally for 30% of their health, offering crucial sustain. 7. The Pounce super is Kit's signature move. When you leap onto an ally, you provide valuable healing for 600 health per second and can attack enemies with yarn balls that deal 3,200 damage. 5. Conversely, pouncing on an enemy deals 2,000 initial damage, then 250 damage per second, stunning them for a brief period. His power-hungry, Star Power boosts his power from power cubes by 150%, while overly attached, extends his ally attachment by 5 seconds. 5. To master Kit, use Cardboard Box for surprise attacks or to reposition safely. 11. Always aim your Pounce at high-priority enemy targets to quickly eliminate threats, remembering you are vulnerable while attached to an enemy. 11. When supporting an ally, focus on healing and adding extra damage with your yarn balls. 11. Kit thrives in modes that demand aggressive, close-quarters combat and swift takedowns, like gem grab and knockout. 11. Team coordination is key to maximizing his impact. 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.